Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how you can turn your writing skills into a steady income stream, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to make money from ghostwriting. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what ghostwriting is? Ghostwriting is when you write content for someone else, but they get the credit. This can be anything from books and articles to speeches and social media posts. Step 2. Identify your niche. Ghostwriting can cover various genres like fiction, nonfiction, self-help, or business. Find a niche you're passionate about or have experience in. This will help you stand out and attract clients. Step 3. Build your portfolio. Start by writing sample pieces in your niche. You can create mock-up articles, blog posts, or even short stories. If you don't have client work yet, this is a great way to showcase your skills. Step 4. Market yourself. Create a professional profile on platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, or Fiverr. Highlight your skills and showcase your portfolio. You can also join writing groups or forums to connect with potential clients. Step 5. Set your rates and draft contracts. Research what other ghostwriters charge and set competitive rates. Make sure to draft clear contracts outlining your payment terms and what's expected from both sides. And there you have it, a quick guide to kickstarting your ghostwriting career. Remember, it might take some time to land your first gig, but with persistence and a solid strategy, you'll get there. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.